Welcome to English Conversations for Beginners. Are you feeling nervous about speaking English? You're definitely not alone in that.
Hi everybody, I'm David.
And I'm Emma. In today's episode, we're diving into some useful English expressions, correcting common pitfalls, and practicing speaking together. Let's jump right in.
Emma, why do you think beginners often see English as this massive mountain to climb? Is it the language that's tough, or?
Excellent question, David. A lot of newcomers are scared of making mistakes. It's like trying to bake a perfect cake for the first time. If you're too worried about burning it, you may never even preheat the oven.
Oh wow, that's so relatable. When I was learning to ride a bike, I was scared stiff of crashing. I just kept wobbling everywhere.
Exactly. Plus, many learners try to translate every word in their minds, which can feel like running a marathon with your shoelaces tied together. So much harder.
Right. So instead of memorizing a million words, you're suggesting that we listen to real-life conversations and echo what we hear? Like, learning in a natural flow?
Absolutely. Context is key. Think of words as pieces of a puzzle. They make much more sense when you see how they fit together in sentences rather than just staring at a list.
Oh, that's such a fun analogy. I usually just try, to cram them in, but I get it. Those few minutes of daily English are, like, way better than cramming for hours just once a week.
You've got it. Now let's jump into the common mistakes people often make.
Ooh, I can't wait for this. My personal favorite is when someone says, "I'm boring."
That's such a classic blunder. Saying, "I'm boring," implies that you make people feel bored. Instead, if you're feeling bored, just say, "I'm bored."
Ha! I can totally picture how awkward that could be at a party. You'd be the life of the party, but only if you were a ghost in the corner.
Right? And then there's the common one. He don't. What do you think that should be?
Oh, it's, he doesn't. Can you imagine the poor listener being all confused, like, wait, who is he?
Exactly. And don't forget about the phrase, "I have 25 years." That one would sound robotic, as it should really be, "I am 25 years old."
Oh man, that's hilarious. Like, you'd sound like a car giving a status report. Definitely stick to being human.
Now let's explore some natural English expressions. Instead of saying, "How are you?" Why not say, "How's it going?" It sounds much more relaxed.
Ooh, I really like that. And when someone thanks you, saying, "No worries," feels super chill, right? It's like just telling them to, ease up.
Yes, and if you enjoy an idea, just say, "Sounds good." Simple and effective. Now it's your turn. What's your name?
I'm David.
Fantastic! Where are you from?
I'm from London. You know, just the city where fish and chips rule.
Perfect! And what's your favorite food?
Pizza. I just can't resist that cheesy goodness.
Great job! Speaking out loud is among the fastest ways to boost your English skills.
Right? And remember, perfection isn't the goal. Just keep practicing a little each day. It's like mixing and matching pizza toppings.
That's a delicious analogy, David. If you enjoyed today's podcast and want more entertaining English conversations for beginners, remember to subscribe so you never miss an episode.
Thanks for tuning in, everyone.
Keep practicing, stay confident, and we can't wait to see you in the next episode. Bye for now.